want to hear about the role you played in shaping this great music that we have. As you started in 1967. 1967, we were 5 years into independence, and you decided at that time that you're gonna wet your foot in the music business. Tell us about that.
Well, yeah. As I said before, I started 1967 at the Studio One. Before that, no, I don't want to make a mistake. Yeah,
don't worry about that.
I just want to mention this band called RHT Invincibles.
Yeah,
that was organized by Father Gooden. Enough respect to him, May his soul rest in peace if he's not alive today. But Right. And that band includes Anthony Collins, Sly Dunbar, and Rancho McLean. And it was really a stepping stone for us, and it was very good because as youth from Waterhouse and the ghetto, this man came along and supported us in that form, and actually. Yeah, but before that, I started singing with Wentworth Vernon. We call ourselves the Termites.
The Termites. Where did that name come from?
Yeah,
where did that name come from?
Well, Wentworth used to be in a band and with an acoustic piano and termites eat out everything out there. They decided to name that band the Termites.
Okay, yeah.
It fell apart, and then Wentworth Vernon inherited the name. When I was asked to join Wentworth Vernon, and I heard of the name, I said, "No, man, I can't take that. I don't like the name there. But Wentworth said, you must remember, say you have a group named the Beatles, and then make it. There's a chance of we making it, that name will draw attention." We said, all right, I'll work with it. And we went to Studio One. Before we went to Studio One, because I always forgot that in an interview, the first recording that was done was on a label called Meritone Label.
With a tune name, We're Gonna Make It.
We're Gonna Make It.
And if you know that,
We're Gonna Make It. That was on a Meritone label.
Yeah.
Dennis, that little beat. We identify that little bit. We have to bring the thing up because that's why we have Dennis in here. This is a man from a historical standpoint. Because
musicologist, man.
There you go. Dennis, come in.
Yeah. What about? We ask me. You just always tell me if I come in. You don't ask me the question.
But you ask if I come in like you out the door.
Yeah.
No, that beat the Dennis. The rhythm on which that we gotta make it.
Yeah.
A very Paragon song in fact, because this was the first piece from the Termites.
Yeah.
And Lloyd in particular. And it basically was a kickoff point in terms of, the starting point. We're gonna make it. So again. But then it's the beat. A very funny beat.
Some transition between ska and rocksteady.
Yeah, you see, a lot of people love to believe that
they were slowing down. We're slowing down the ska.
Yeah.
It's really a ska tune. Really a ska. We're slowing down the ska. Yeah.
So the point is, Lloyd, a lot of people believe that miraculously one day we just start playing rocksteady and say, okay, done with
ska.
So that song was in that transitional period where not the name rocksteady yet, you don't identify it as a genre, but there is a shift in terms of what is happening in the studio and what musicians are playing. So it is the era of ska, but it's getting slower and moving towards rocksteady.
Definitely.
And this is one of the songs that prove the idea that it wasn't just an instantaneous kind of shift and node. And so even when we said ska rocksteady start 1968, it's just a signpost, because if some people heard the rocksteady song and hear this, they would say it's a rocksteady.
And which is the reason why I draw in so without any preparation, Des, because a lot of people make the same argument. You're absolutely correct. For me, my ears, as Lydie said, is a ska tune, but it was a.
Hi there. If you enjoyed that clip, go on over to our website at yawdmedia.com, where you can watch the entire broadcast at your leisure. And while you're there, why don't you check out our other reggae music features? And before you leave, pick up some of our Jamaican reggae merchandise, and hey, don't forget to tell your friends.
My name is Garth, otherwise known as Big G.
My name is Richie Blackford.